In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Hostinger balance. If you've been using Hostinger for a while, or just getting started, keeping track of your balance is crucial for managing your website hosting subscriptions. I'll guide you through this step-by-step process, ensuring you have everything you need to understand where your account stands financially. Firstly, let's start by logging in to your Hostinger account. Go to the Hostinger website and enter your login credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard, the H panel. This is your command center for managing everything related to your hosting services, so becoming familiar with it is beneficial. Next, focus on the sidebar section of your dashboard. Here, you'll find various options, but today we're focusing on the billing section. Navigate through this sidebar and click on the billing option. Within the billing section, you'll see either services or subscriptions. Clicking here will provide you with a detailed overview of all your active services. This snapshot will show you not just what services you're currently using, but also important details like renewal dates, prices, and the status of any auto-renew features. Having this information at your fingertips helps you plan ahead, ensuring there are no surprises when it's time for renewal. Now let's dive into your payment history, which falls under the same billing section. By selecting Payment History, you can easily view all your past invoices and any refunds that have been processed. This feature is particularly useful if you're tracking expenses or verifying charges. Maybe there was a time when you needed to refund a payment. You'll find all those details logged here as well. This can also help if you've been issued a refund to your Hostinger balance, as that will be clearly displayed within this section. Finally, let's talk about Hostinger balance credits. If you've been issued a refund or have any promotional credit, such as through discounts or special offers, these amounts will be automatically reflected in your Hostinger balance. However, it's important to note that Hostinger doesn't provide a dedicated balance page, so understanding your available balance derives from what you can see in your payment history. This is also where you'll notice whether any credits have been applied to future invoices. By keeping an eye on your payment history, you can effectively track and manage any credits or refunds applicable to your account. And there you have it. A simple guide on how to check your Hostinger balance and manage your billing effectively. This process helps to avoid any surprises, ensuring you're always aware of your financial commitments in your hosting journey. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.